Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ojota-Opebi. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. On January 26, 2022, the Lagos State government flagged off the construction of the Ojota-Opebi link bridge to address traffic challenges often experienced by commuters and shorten the travel time between Ojota and Ikeja. The construction is a 3.9-kilometer project. This construction will widen options for commuters to connect other areas of the state. This construction is in two phases. The first phase will connect to Odo-Yalaru, while the second phase will connect to Ogodu. This 3.5-kilometer bridge will provide a direct link between Opebi, Maryland, Mende, Ojota and Ikorodu Road easily. This will help to decongest Mobolaji Bankantoni Way, which is a very good route to go into the airport, and also Kudirat Abiola Way. This construction will give commuters the option to navigate from Ikeja to the island. It will also provide a direct link between Maryland, Ojota, Ikeja and vice versa. It also has 200 passes, 2 U-turn, providing access from Ojota to Ikorodu as well as Opebi bound commuters. This construction will provide new connectivity and development to residents around this area. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.